Eagle double G.
What's up guys, it's your boy Spy HD here, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing a quick video just to let you guys know what is going to be happening on my channel in the future, like so upcoming, I don't know, channel celebrations, if you want to call it that, challenges, Q&As, anything like that. So this is a quick update video. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, so I just want to start by saying that first of all, I will be having a face cam in my gaming videos, like just expect that very soon. I just need to get one, but yeah, I know how to install it and everything, so yeah, so expect that be pretty soon. Just stay tuned for that. Second of all, when I hit 100 subscribers, expect a Q&A, so you guys can either drop your questions in the comments in this video or just wait for the actual announcement of the Q&A where I actually ask the questions. But if you want, just drop the questions down now and I'll save them. So yeah, so that's that. And then for 500 subscribers, I don't know if you guys have seen Kanji's video where he ate 4 Carolina Reapers. Basically, I'm going to be eating 5 Carolina Reapers in one go when I hit 500 subscribers. So if you guys want to share this video around, share it everywhere, just share my channel, like it, comment, everything. It will be a great help, and I really appreciate everyone's support. So yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, so just try and share it around, and then I'll be able to do my Q&A and my chili challenge when I hit 100 subscribers and 500 subscribers. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really know what else to say, guys. I'm gonna think of more like challenges I can do. Maybe I'll do skydiving in the future. I don't know, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, something like that. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, guys, also for any games that you want me to play, just let me know, and I will play them just for you guys. Like, I'll go buy the games or something. So yeah, just like drop any suggestions down, anything you want on my channel. So yeah. Oh yeah, one other thing, guys. The name for subscribers. So I don't actually have a name for you guys. I have something called the Spy Squad, which is all of you mixed together. But I need a name to call you guys individually. So I'm gonna like have kind of like a contest. So like you guys just suggest a name, and I'll pick which one I think is the best. If you guys don't suggest a name, then I'll just think of one myself. And yeah, the reason I give you the option is because I want you guys to actually feel like you have a say on my channel. So yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna have to end that video there. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Don't forget, guys, you can always aspire to do great things in life. So this has been Spy HD. Peace out.